This is Forex Insights with CIS Trading at thinkorswimtoolkit.com. In focus, the British pound US dollar. Took a short as this spiked up. We're short 139.40 and a half. We're looking for a potential target around initially through 139.36 and a half. So we're looking for a short down to there. You can see we had come off this bearish trend support on this 1 minute, had sort of a little double bottom move. As we came all the way up, we spiked all the way up to that trend support, and as we came into it, we went short on that candle. So again, we're looking for a 139.36 and a half target from 139.40 and a half. That's 4 pips. Go through, take a quick look at the overall market. We did have some trades on this Canadian dollar yen earlier, made just a little bit on those. We kept re-entering long right here around this area at this 80.93 and a half. So looks the same right there. Not quite a price action reversal. My concern here would be any weakness, we would show another move to the downside on that. So we're watching that trade a little bit. US dollar, Swiss franc, we have a long position on that trade we're keeping an eye on. Again, we're looking for that to move from this 95.25 up to this 95.95 today. US dollar, Swiss franc, we're watching that trade this week. Euro dollar, 1 minute, same scenario with a pin bar. Let's take a look at this pound US dollar. So we're coming in on our target around this 139.36 and a half. Look at this trade on a daily chart. We'll just cycle through it. We'll go through, take a look at it on a 3 minute. You can see on a 3 minute, again, we're right there on this fairly deep low pin. Have another low pin inside on that one. So we're looking at, again, a move lower to the 139.36 and a half. On that, that's a 3 minute. Look at this one on an hourly. British pound, US dollar. So on the hourly chart, we have a small move here where we have a top of arrowhead pattern where we have outside bar, just a little bit of a wick above that high, but not much. So we play that as an arrowhead until we see something significant change on a shorter time frame. So anytime you have a question on those patterns, you just go right inside and play those shorter time frame swings, and that's what we do. We go in on that 1 minute, that 3 minute, look at the opportunities of that playing short as an arrowhead pattern, and that's what we're looking at here. Let's take a quick look at this on a daily chart. So British pound, US dollar daily, again, we have a couple bearish pressures against this trade. We have a potential diamond pattern back here that we bounced up through on a momentum and a price action reversal. And then we went into an arrowhead pattern. So we're looking for a move, again, down to this 138.50 range. So we're going to keep an eye on that. That's what we look like on that daily. Let's go back very quickly, take a look at that 1 minute chart. And you can see we came very close on that 1 minute, right down to almost to that target at that 139.36 and a half. So we'll keep an eye on this trade and just see how that plays out. We're right now at 100% momentum to the upside, just right there at that 139.38 and a half. So that tells me we might have a little bit more to go there on that downside. See how that comes off right there on that tick? It's because once that momentum peaks up to 100%, you see you're still in a bearish trend on that 1 minute, and right away on that candle open, that momentum comes right off wanting to go back down. So a little bit of trade management right there on this price action. When you look at these metrics, that's almost a perfect 3-bar reversal showing trading higher after this bar, and that's what that is. You can see that play out, and we just watch that to see if it looks like that momentum is going to carry back into us. If it does, we'll get